Hey, Dom, how are you doing?
Pretty good. Let me share a problem with you. I lift weights, and I lift 85 pounds on the rear deltoid machine. That's the one where you pull the weight. And for years, I've exerted 86 pounds of pressure, and that 85 pounds has lifted up and down like clockwork. Maintain my strength. Not for the last 10 days, not for the last 10 visits. I've only been able to muster 84 pounds. And so the door to that 85-pound weight room has closed on me. I have to move to a different room where I can only lift an 80-pound weight. So I exert 84 pounds of pressure and I pull an 80-pound weight. And the way I think about it is that I've been diminished. It's not that the machine does a victory dance. The machine couldn't care less. Couldn't care if I melted it down into ingots. Has no emotion, whatever. Neither have people ridiculed me or jeered at me. Most couldn't care less themselves. So what's the problem? The way I see it, there are two problems. One is an easy problem. The easy problem is the temptation to say, oh, I'm getting old, I don't have to lift weights as often. I don't have to try as hard. And so developing a certain mindset that exaggerates your diminishing strength by lulling you into thinking you can't do anything about it. However, for me, that one is not a problem. I've lifted weights 30 years. There's no way I'm going to stop now. There's no way that when I get to the club, I'm not going to bend every effort to pull as hard as I can. And there'll be days I will pull that 85-pound weight. And most days will not. The second problem is the real problem. And it's a problem we all face. The problem is, can we accept that we're getting older? And what does that mean, getting older? Getting older is a euphemism for watching death approach. We're getting older. We have an 85-year lifespan. We're 84, or we're 81, or we're 77. We're getting older. We're nearing a point at which we're going to die. The problem is, how do we treat our aging? Is it traumatic? Do we alert the media that we can only lift 80 pounds now? Or do we say, hey, that's life, and go on and do our best every day, no matter how old we get? Do our best and get the most out of life. And accept the inevitable, that at the end, what's left for any of us, for every of us, is death. And so, I don't think my hearing is impaired. I just hear a door close.